Hello everyone. Welcome to Code Arena. In today's video we will learn about logical operators in Python. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. Logical operators are used to build complex logic by combining two or more logical conditions. There are three types of logical operator: AND, OR, NOT operator. You may have heard about these operator. Truth table for all the operator are shown here. You can see AND operator returns true if both the statement are true. OR operator return false if any one of the statement is true. NOT operator reverse the result. Returns false if the result is true. Now let's go through some example to observe the where to use which operators. Say for example you want to check whether a number is greater than 10 and divisible by 2. Here in the problem statement you can clearly heard the word AND. This gives a hint that this problem will be solved using AND operator. So, let's write the if statement. So that was the code to check whether a number is greater than 10 and divisible by 2. Next let's create a logic to find either a number is greater than 10 or divisible by 5. Pause the video and think how to create this logic. Now let's write the logic. So we have checked either a number is greater than 10 or divisible by 5. Next, I have written a wrong logic to find even odd number. You have to make my logic correct by using any of the AND, OR, NOT operator. Pause the video and think about the solution. Got the solution. Alright. So, if we add NOT operator then our code will become correct, as NOT operator reverse the result, returns false if the result is true. So, that's all for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed the session. Like, subscribe to enjoy coding with Code Arena. If you have any question or doubt then ask in the comment section. Hope to see you all in the next video.